How to send money abroad from the Niyo app. If you are a new user, open your Niyo app and then select Send Money Abroad. You will be directed to the money transfer page. If you are an existing user, log into your Niyo app, tap on Send Abroad. Here is a note with some helpful information like you can pay up to 1 lakh with UPI. For more than that, you'll need net banking. You do not necessarily need a Niyo account for transferring funds via Niyo. Once you have read the note, tap Continue. Now, select the currency and enter the amount you wish to send. I am selecting USD for example and entering $1,000 as the amount. On this screen, you will see the effective zero fee price, the Niyo benefits, and the process. Tap Start Transfer. Read and accept the terms and conditions. If you are paying through an education loan, check the box and ensure you have the required documents ready. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and you will see the breakup of all the charges, the real-time INR to USD conversion, and SWIFT charges and Forex Markup already near 50% lower than market rates, and will also be 100% reimbursed as Niyo Coins. You can use Niyo Coins to book flights and visa services from the Niyo app, making it an effectively zero-fee transfer. No platform fee. Niyo does not charge any additional service fee. TCS calculation. If your total yearly transactions exceeds Rs 7 lakh, TCS will be deducted accordingly. Click Next and now you have to enter beneficiary details. Here, you'll need to provide the receiver's or beneficiary's details, receiver's full name, bank account details such as account number, bank name, SWIFT code, etc. Once done, tap Next. Upload required documents. For verification, upload the necessary documents such as student passport, visa, university admission letter, I-20 form for transfers to the USA, rental agreement or document for rental transfers, then tap Next. Enter your Aadhaar details and tap Proceed. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to complete KYC. Review and confirm payment. On the next screen, you will see a final amount breakdown before proceeding. Review the details carefully, then tap Send Money. Enter sender's bank details. Provide the bank account details from which you are sending the money. After entering the details, tap Validate Account. Niyo will perform a penny check by depositing Rs 1 into your account to verify it. Once your account is validated, you will be directed to the payment gateway. Choose your payment method. You can transfer money using either UPI or net banking. For amounts up to Rs 1 lakh, you can pay via UPI. Enter your UPI ID or tap Pay by QR. After entering your UPI ID, tap Pay. Your transfer will be initiated instantly. For amounts more than Rs 1 lakh, pay via net banking. Select net banking as your payment method. Choose your bank and confirm your payment details. The transfer will be initiated once confirmed. Once the transfer is initiated, your funds will be processed and credited within 3 business days. You can track the status of your transfer from the Niyo app. Download Niyo today.